good breakfast, and of course, tea. Sometimes I wonder if I drink too much tea, but nah. So today, heading up to Van Wert and have a little old-fashioned farmer's days. My family, we put on the pedal tractor pull for the big kids and the adults. So I'll try to get some footage of that. It's a good time. Usually get quite a few kids. We'll have to see how that goes. The adult pedal tractor is actually something that was hand built. Like my grandpa actually went and built the thing himself, and the sled for that matter, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Puppies! Hi! Hello, hello, hello! Cut it off and they just make it a nice thing for you, I guess. It's cute. It's so small. He's so small. see me. Hi. Hello. What's up? What's going on? What? What? Brutus, what's going on? You're so whiny. Why are we so whiny? Why? What? Buckeye. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? Hi. Brutus. 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 Once again, ignoring me, aren't you? That was a lot of fun. Sorry I really talked to you guys much in this video. I'm still not quite comfortable in the filming in public and people look at you weird and all that. And I get enough weird looks as it is. As you're kind of giving me weird looks right now, like, your face is a little red. It is, and so is my neck, and my arm's a little bit, so I kind of got a bit of farmer's tan going on. But, oh well, what are you going to do? I did buy a really neat item. I'll show you guys once I get home. It's really cool. It's an ammo box, and I'm really excited about it. When I think of an ammo box, I think of Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas. Like, that's what I think about right away. I'm not sure exactly why. Not a huge player of those games, mainly because I suck at them, and I'd have to put it like on super easy level to be able to get anywhere. Because I played Fallout 3 quite a long time ago. Had it for PS3, I think, and I just kept making everyone angry, and they'd want to come after me and kill me, and then if I did wander out in the wilderness, I'd get myself killed because, well, I couldn't seem to get any good high percentages to kill anything. Oh well. But yeah, I mean, it was a good time, and met some nice people. The poll went really well. Had about 30 people. I know that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it's actually pretty good. That's actually the highest we've had in a while. I had to do a little announcing myself and to get that radio voice out that I never use. It's always nice to see my parents' dogs. They're so nice. And the one Buckeye, as you've seen in my Chicago vlog, Buckeye is the most awesome little dog. He loves me. I don't know why. Brutus just Brutus annoys me. He annoys me because he ignores me. But Buckeye loves me, and I love it, and I love him. One day, guys, one day I will have a house, and I can have myself a dog. Oh, I can't wait. That'd be so awesome. But right now I'm headed back home to kind of chill for a bit. Catching up some more videos after I got a nice shower. Feel much better now. Put some aloe on sunburn because why didn't I put sunscreen on? But hey, I'm not as nerd pale anymore. It's definitely some redness all along that. Lovely. Let me show you this ammo box. This is cool. Check it out. Look at that. It's got like stuff on the side and everything. Big latch here. Come up. Come on. Can't. Okay. Okay. I can't do this one-handed. One second. There we go. Finally. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's actually really clean. I was really amazed at how clean of one I got. It's got like these rubber seals in there, if you can see that. And then it latches up through here, which is why it's so hard to open. But yeah, so like I said, it was really cool. I got it for like $10. I was like, that's a heck of a deal. Dad actually got one too. He got his is a bit bigger, but I didn't need the big one. Plus, this one had a bunch of lettering and stuff on it, so it makes it look a little more authentic, I guess. But yeah, very strong built, very neat. As I said in my Time for a Brew, I just have a hard time finding time to do these videos or film at all because of, as we all do, we all worry about what other people think, and I am just as big of that as probably some of you guys are. Let me know in the comments, is there anything that really bugs you if you're out in public or you're just constantly worried about what people think? Let me know what really gets to you, and thinking that other people really care about what you're doing, what you're wearing, what you're saying. Just let me know down there. Let me know. About ready to head out. I like my shirt. Yeah, a little caffeine molecules going on. That's awesome. So I'm gonna be getting out of here, going to local festival to watch fireworks and hopefully get a coffee because I really need a coffee. I'm so tired after today. Let's go check out a festival.
Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes. Take a step back and just look outside. Your trouble, I can see it in your eyes.
Oh, what a good night, guys. It was so good. Sorry for not much footage of the evening. Really, you got fireworks. That's what you got. It was good. It was a good time. So busy. Oh my gosh. I have not seen that festival so busy. It was just a sea of people. And honestly, with a lot of the lines and everything, I think you could have crowd surfed through most of it. I mean, it was really busy. Maybe not literally crowd surf, but you get my drift. But it was really fun. I met up with a friend. Just didn't really want to get the camera out like that too much. Like 1:26. I mean, it was late, really late for me to get in. Ate fast food for the first time in a long time because there was the lines were incredible. It was just massive lines to get to anything. There was hardly any vendors. I think that was the hardest part. It was hardly any food vendors. I'm thinking right now of how many food vendors I've seen, and it was 6, maybe 7. Yeah, I am so tired, guys, but I'm gonna go to sleep. If you enjoy these type of vlogs from me, let me know in the comments below. Definitely hit that like button. That really helps me know if these are going well and all that. I would say see you tomorrow, but I am not a daily vlogger, so I will catch you guys next time.